Well, what's up everybody, and welcome back to the channel. We are out here at the beautiful Pinyon Mountain Wilderness area. Gonna run Pinyon Mountain Trail, and this is the first trail of the 12 months of 50 Blue Pecan series. Your boy Dave is turning 50 this year. That's right, the big 5-0. It was supposed to be 10 rigs, but I think we have 8 or maybe 9 including me. I'm not sure. I'll double check the count on that. This trail is very sentimental to me because this was my very first badge of honor trail. So this was the very first badge that I got to put on the Blue Pecan. As you can see, we have an incredible sky. It's going to be a high of about 70 degrees today, and it should be a good time. So we're going to get on the trail in just a little bit. Pardon the wind, it's a little breezy out here. I guess that's expected in January, but we have reached the squeeze. So the squeeze is obviously one of the iconic obstacles here on the trail. Here we go, we're getting our looks like we're gonna need to do some stacking, huh? Oh yeah. Yeah, we gotta do some stacking.
Watch out. There you go. Now come in. Okay, keep coming. Okay, you're coming off the big rock on the front. Coming off. There we go.
Woo!
Little bouncy bounce now. Not hard because you spin your rear end into that rock. Right. But keep coming. Okay, you're coming down on the back. Gentle. There you go. We're through.
Yeah.
Got it, gentlemen. There's a big rock right here. Watch out for it.
Nice.
Passenger, a little more. A little more. Perfect. Bring it on. There we go. Here's the sticky spot. Keep coming. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Passenger a little bit. There we go. Beautiful. Driver a little bit. There we go. Okay, you're coming up on the big rock. Keep coming, keep coming. Driver a little bit. Coming down on the rock. There we go.
Yes. Alrighty, well that was the squeeze. You know, I'm sure if you've been around the YouTube Jeep community for more than half a second, it's not the first time you've seen rigs go through there. But that was actually one of the easiest Bluebicon pass-throughs. Usually I get kind of caught in there pretty tight, and it's a lot of wiggling back and forth to try to get me out of there, but this time squeezed right through. So yeah, it was interesting. Now we're headed off to Window Breaker Rock. All right, time for some rock crawling. Let's see what happens here. Got it in 4-low. I don't think we'll need lockers, but we will need low gear, that's for sure. Nice and clean. All right, no broken window.